I know. Where are you from?
I'm from Iran.
Iran?
You?
Oh, okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Yes. Okay. Nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Bangladeshi.
nice to meet you too.
Salam.
So, what do you do? Do you study or work? What do you do for living?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, you are a doctor?
Merci.
Oh,
Yes.
that's cool. You are a
Thank
doctor
you.
at hospital?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. And where do you live in Iran?
Thank you.
Which city do you live?
Which city do you live? Tehran.
Tehran. Oh,
Thank you,
I know that.
Elias.
Tehran. And Istanbul is capital city?
No, Tehran is capital city.
Oh, I just forget it. Okay. Tehran is capital. Okay. So you live capital
Right.
city, right?
Salamati. Yes.
Brother, shotgun me, brother, oh,
Check
brother.
for Elias.
And how old are you?
Brother, ma shotgun me, and my brother.
Mm.
brother.
You look so young. I think you look so young. So how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Oh, 28. And what's your name? Maisha?
My name is Maisa.
Oh, Maisa. Is it your nickname? Or do you have any nickname? Do you have other
Maisa
nickname?
and second name Aida.
Aida. Oh, nice name. Beautiful
Aida.
name.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
How old are you?
Yeah, you can guess. Can you guess?
Brother,
How
come.
old am I?
Brother.
What?
How old I am? Can you guess?
How old are you?
Hello, brother.
2 and 4.
24, 25, 28, 24? Okay.
24.
Only brother.
You're right. 24.
Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm still student. I'm studying honors third year. Bachelor. Do you know bachelor?
Bachelor. I don't know. What's the meaning of?
It's BA. Bachelor of Arts.
Administration. Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have siblings?
What's the meaning of?
Siblings means brothers and sisters. Do you have brothers and sisters? I mean,
Okay.
how many brothers and sisters do you have?
اینه آمدم افغانستان. شما بخیر سلام. I have 3 brother and 1 sister.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Yes.
And are you little one? Little sister? Or elder sister?
No. My big sister is married.
Oh.
Live in Australia. چرا میلاد؟
So what is
I
the
think we will
national language in your country?
make the ID card.
Is it Arabic?
What's the meaning of?
What is the national
No.
language in your country? If I say about my country, Bengali is our national language. So what is the national language in your country?
Brother.
Persian and Pashto.
Pashto. You can speak both Pashto and Persian?
Yes. Pashto and Dari.
Okay, so if I wanna say how are you in Pashto, how can I say how are you?
How are you singing?
Senge.
Yes.
Oh, it's very easy.
How are you singing?
Brother.
Yes, in Persian, Cheturasti.
Oh, that's cool. So if I wanna say I'm fine or I'm good, then how can I say
Yes.
I'm fine or I'm good?
من خوب هستم.
Is it Pashto?
No, Persian.
Okay, then what is Pashto? How can I say?
In Pashto میشه بک بدی. Yeah. In Pashto زه خیمه.
Zekhayoma. It's like
زه
similar.
خیمه. Yeah.
Is it similar Arabic or different?
No, different.
Okay. Okay. So do you want to learn Bengali language? I mean, my language?
No.
Okay. Okay. Just I wanna say one thing that if you wanna say how are you in my language, then you have to say kemon achen.
Mm. Mm.
You can repeat it. Kemon achen.
Circle, you are
Can you hear me?
Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh is.
Just try to say like
Wait.
me. Kemon achen.